Understanding. Wear the white hat. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, wear the white hat. This expression is not just about fashion or color choices. It carries a much deeper meaning. Whether you're a language learner or a lover of idiomatic expressions, this video will unpack the essence of this phrase for you. Let's explore its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, wear the white hat, originates from the old Western movies, where characters were often distinguished by the colors of their hats. Good guys wore white hats, while bad guys donned black ones. This visual cue helped audiences easily identify the hero and the villain in the story. 2. Wear the white hat means to be the good person in a situation, someone who is ethical, moral, and stands up for what is right. It's about embodying the qualities of a hero, not in the sense of superpowers, but in showing integrity and righteousness. You can use this phrase in various contexts. For example, if someone in your community is always helping others and doing good deeds, you might say, "He really wears the white hat around here." It's a compliment indicating that the person is trustworthy and good-hearted. Another example could be in discussions about movies or books, where you can describe a character's role by saying, "In this story, she wears the white hat, standing up against the antagonist." Wear the white hat is more than just an expression. It's a symbol of goodness and morality in the English language. It highlights the importance of being the good person in any scenario, promoting values of justice and integrity. We hope this video has shed light on this colorful phrase and inspired you to maybe wear your own white hat in your daily life. Thank you for watching, and keep learning new things every day.